What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to create and edit boards in Miro. Miro is a great tool to create all kinds of boards, from like a sticky notes board to mind maps and others, to manage your projects with your teams. So once you go to Miro.com and sign up with your email or with other platforms, or log in if you do already have an account. And here in the final step of the setup wizard or sign up wizard, here I'm asked to choose a first board. Let's choose a mind map, for example, here, and let's get started. And it'll generate a mind map template here with some of the empty slots. And here I'm asked to whether I'm using a trackpad or mouse. I'm using a trackpad for now. Okay, they give me some instructions. So spread or use 2 fingers to zoom in and out. Okay, let's close this wizard for now. And here I have the problem. Let's say here this is, or can of course rename the text to test, for example. And here you can control the looks, so the type of the container. Okay, let's make it rectangular with smooth edges. And here you can edit the color, so let's make it red. You can edit the font style, or you can even add, okay, let's highlight text first. You can make it italic, and you can even add a link here so that when you click on it, it'll open a page. You can control the text style. Let's highlight the text once again, make it a bit bigger. Okay, edit the text color, make it, for example, green. Okay, looking good. And now you have some arrows here that can have, or it can indicate the solution. So it goes from test. Let's add a container here, and let's make it, for example, purple. And let's add a text that says fix stuff. I'm just adding or making up random text just to show you. And I can have the fill opacity cranked up or down. And here I can add the text. Okay, now it is added fixed stuff. Now I can also move it around as I want. And I can even create new arrows here that goes to other criteria. Let's say, for example, the type of, I can also control the type of the arrows, if it's dotted or if it's a straight line, if it's a curved line. Okay, let's say I want to be a filled line like this, or even bigger. So you can click on the line to edit the type. Okay. And I can even have a straight line or a dotted or a stroked line here. So the thickness of the line I can control. Let's make this one thicker a bit. Okay, and it redirects to another container here that says, for example, solution. For this one, let's add another shape. And in this page, you can even apply templates here. So you can choose between many templates to apply the look and feel of it. And let's go ahead and add a new sticky note, for example. Okay, let's add it here, and let's make it so that this line redirects to it on the side. And here let's add a text, for example, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And here it is. If you move the sticky note here, as you can see, the line moves. Now here you can add, of course, more lines that redirect to another text. Let's say here the video. Okay, let's make this one yellow, and the text color, let's make it blue. Okay, highlight text first, text light blue, and here the fill color is this color right here. Okay, and you can add a border. Let's make it rectangular this time. And of course, you can move it around. And let's also connect the subscribe to liking the video. Okay, looking good. And you can even adjust how the line looks. So scrolling here, zooming out, scrolling with 2 fingers to expand it. And here, let's add another item that says, for example, watch the video. Okay, and this one can lead to 2 other items here, or 1 item if you want to. Let's add it, let's connect it to 1 item. And here I've created 4 items to connect the watch the video to. I'm just making up mind maps as I go. Now let's say I like this one right here. I don't need the others. So once you are happy created, or you created your mind map, you can also add text, sticky notes, you can add shapes, you can add arrows, you can have a pen to scribble with whatever you like. And once you are happy, you can go ahead and share it. So you can get a link here to share it here to someone, or embed it in your website, or just publish it as a custom template or a Miroverse template.